Wala pang 1 minute sa interview bagsak ka na kagad. Yes, it sounds harsh but it's true. Crucial yung first few minutes mo during the interview. And most of the time, first question pa lang nakapag-decide na si recruiter. I always start my interview with this simple question. What do you know about our company? Simple question, di ba? Pero madami akong interviewees na binabagsak dahil hindi makasagot sa question na to. Kung hindi mo masagot yung question na to, this shows to me that you're not serious about this position and you're not responsible enough to work with minimal supervision. Simple lang naman yung kailangan mong gawin. Research about the company, anong ginagawa nila, ano yung target market nila, at anong skills mo yung relevant na pwedeng makatulong sa company. Kahit wala ka pang experience, ang laking lamang mo na sa mga tenured kung nag-research ka about sa company. So before your next interview, research about the company. Save it in your notes. At baka ito lang yung kulang para ma-hire ka. So save this video para sa next interview mo at i-share mo na din to dun sa kakilala mong hirap ma-hire. I-comment mo na din kung ano yung gusto mong topic na i-cover natin sa sunod na video.